All right, today I'm going to be talking about multiple brackets in order of operations. So there are a couple of different types of brackets that people tend to use, that I've seen used, and there's a pretty simple way to figure out how to do them. But I'll just show you the brackets or parentheses that people seem to use. So there's the regular parentheses, right? Like that. Then there's these ones, these brackets. Then there's that, I don't know, something like that. My drawing is not great. So you might see all three of these. They're all parentheses. But sometimes there are some of them in another one. So I'm just going to go through and just show you what you would do. Let's say this is 6 plus 4. Then let's just throw these brackets in. All right. So this is a bit complicated, but there are all three of these brackets here, right? There's the parentheses here and here. Okay. Technically, let's just put so that there's at least something outside of the parentheses. Okay. So parentheses here and here. Then you have the brackets here and here. Then you got these squiggly brackets here and here. The key for doing something like this is you want to do the most inside of the brackets first. Okay? So the brackets that are the most inside right now are these ones. Okay? So these, these are the most inside because they're the closest together within the brackets, right? So these brackets, these curly braces, are within the square brackets, and they're within the parentheses. So we would do these ones first because they're the most inside, right? So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? Then we would have 4 times 2, and I guess, okay. So this would be times, because the 2 is just there, and then plus, since the 2 is bordering the brackets with no other sign, that means that it's multiplication. And then plus 1, and then 6 plus, and then 3 plus. Now, the next thing you would do is we're still doing the innermost brackets. So we have to do this, okay, first. And then we would do the rest of what it is. So we're doing what's inside the brackets now, what's inside these square brackets. We're going to be doing them. We're going to be doing them order of operations, basically. Right? So it's 4 times 2 times 4 plus 2. So, since multiplication comes before addition, we can do 4 times 2, we're going left to right, equals 8. Okay? And then times 4, which equals 32, and then plus 2, so it would be 34, and then we're going to do 6 plus 34, right? 34 is is what's in the brackets. Then plus 1, technically this, and then 3 plus. So since they're all addition, you can just remove the brackets since it's the commutative property. But anyway, 6 plus 34 is 40, and then plus 1 equals 41, and then 3 plus 41 equals 44. But anyway, the whole thing is that you just have to do the innermost ones first. And I can go into more examples in separate videos, but this is just introducing the topic.